5 simple exercises for pain relief at home. Hello, and welcome back to our health channel. Pain is something many of us deal with daily, whether it's from working long hours, sitting at a desk, or just everyday wear and tear on our bodies. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple exercises you can do right at home to ease pain and help you feel your best. No equipment is needed, just a few minutes and a little bit of space. Let's get started. First up, we have the child's pose, a gentle yoga-inspired stretch that works wonders for lower back pain. It's perfect for releasing tension in your hips, back, and spine while improving flexibility. Begin on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Slowly sit back onto your heels, stretching your arms forward and lowering your chest toward the floor. Rest your forehead on the ground and hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Repeat this stretch 3 times. Remember to keep it gentle if you have knee discomfort. A cushion under your knees can make this even more relaxing. Next, let's move to neck stretches to relieve tension and combat those nagging headaches caused by stress or poor posture. Sit or stand up straight with your shoulders relaxed. Tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear toward your shoulder, and hold the position for 15 seconds. Then switch sides. For a deeper stretch, you can gently place your hand on the side of your head and apply light pressure. As you stretch, remember to keep your shoulders down and move slowly to avoid strain. These simple movements can do wonders for releasing neck and upper body tension. For our third exercise, we'll focus on the spine with the cat-cow stretch. This is a fantastic way to ease stiffness in the back and improve posture. Start in a tabletop position with your hands and knees on the floor. Inhale as you arch your back, letting your belly drop toward the floor and lifting your head. This is the cow pose. Then exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin to your chest. This is the cat pose. Repeat this movement 8 to 10 times, flowing with your breath. It's not only soothing, but also a great way to keep your spine mobile and healthy. Now let's work on the hips with the figure four stretch, which is excellent for hip pain and sciatica relief. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, forming a figure four shape. Gently pull your left thigh toward your chest until you feel a stretch in your right hip. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. If pulling your leg feels challenging, use a towel or strap for assistance. This stretch is a lifesaver for tight hips and lower back discomfort. Finally, we'll address shoulder pain with wall angels, an exercise that strengthens the upper back and improves shoulder mobility. Stand with your back against a wall, ensuring your feet are a few inches away from it. Flatten your lower back against the wall and raise your arms into a goalpost position with your elbows bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lift your arms overhead, keeping them as close to the wall as possible, and then bring them back down. Perform 10 slow, controlled repetitions. This movement not only eases shoulder tension, but also helps improve posture over time. Now that we've gone through these 5 simple exercises: child's pose, neck stretches, cat-cow stretch, figure four stretch, and wall angels, remember that consistency is key. Just a few minutes a day can bring significant relief and improve your overall mobility. As you try these exercises, listen to your body. If any movement feels sharp or causes discomfort, stop immediately. For persistent or severe pain, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Which exercise worked best for you? Or do you have any favorite stretches or tips for managing pain? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, your health is in your hands. Take care, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.